since I've been doing videos of each time I take these out and put them away, I might as well keep going. Got the next ones are getting ready to come on now. Alright. This time we're going with the middle. Alright. And then there's one more section we gotta do and we're done. There we are. A lot of corn, I tell you what. And I've got some in the Jeep ready to go to people. I don't know where it's going yet, but it's going to people. I got to get it to the right people though. The people that want it, people that need it, people that, you know. Ouch, hot. I know it's hot. Ay, 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 ay. Killed anything, everything, making sure that it's bugs on it or anything. Stay. Did not stack like I wanted it to because it's all different sizes. Okay. That's fine. Alright, I have to put this over here and we're going to have to keep using the next ones. Ow, 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 that was freaking hot. Get up there, there we go. Oh, yeah, jump at stuff. Oh, that kind of sucked though. Luckily though, those are ready to go anyway, so it's not like it's... Owie. Sorry, I don't jump even if something's coming at me. I try not to jump, because then you make a worse mess if you jump. Okay. Question is, how much corn am I going to eat tomorrow? Ouch. Okay. Now, the stuff on the bottom is just hard to grab. Okay. That's ready to be put away. We're going to go ahead and put these in there. That's ready. And as I get the others out, that water there's not hot. Okay. There we are. Then, might do. I don't. Alright. Ouch, 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 ouch. That's ready. Alright, last 20 minutes, I know. Alright. Let's get those in there. Okay. this one's ready to. But I'm taking the stuff on the top and put it in there. I'm making sure that it's all ready to go. Ooh, it's hot. There's something burning. That should be it. Woo. Shut up. Do my thing. Do my thing. Okay. So each one of these get cleaned really well. Soak. Ooh, that's gonna be hot. Yeah, wash it. Oh, we're gonna have to get some crap for that to clean that. Nice. Not trying to cool it down. Trying to clean it. Wow. Ouch. Be on 9. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is get these in the bags, and then those are the last ones. Timer's going on. The time is set. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Boy's got looking like a weird one. Okay. Really? Look at the one that's gonna be bigger than all the rest. Son of a gun. Just for a second. For 3, 4. Weird one. Okay, 4 there, and whatever's in there. And the countdown is going. Alright. My problem is I don't know how to get these in, if I can fit in one in the freezer. I don't have that fridge over in the storage, but pointless bringing it here. Okay, those are done. What I'm going to do now is fill these up with some water and spray some ammonium so that I can clean them out, get them ready, and have everything clean. soak. I let all my dishes soak for a little bit. And then we'll get it all nice and cleaned up. We're good. So, that being said, always something going on, huh? Well, we got these last ones that are cooking up, which will be fine when we get them out, because then we'll put them right into the thing. I don't think it'll hold in the heat much, but do not do that. Oh, I'll get some cleaner for that later. That'll kind of press that down a little bit. But it'll keep that heat in there and boil it up. Okay, so that being said, for the most part, we're done. Except for these and what's in the car. I will put these in something, and I don't know. I don't think I got any more spot face. I think I am literally out of room. I'm gonna try to put some more in here, but man, I'm really tapped out in here. I'm very tapped out. Even the center is completely full. I got no more room. Alright. Those icicles are gonna have to. I might have to get rid of those popsicles. If I get rid of those popsicles, I hate saying it, but no one's ate them for years, so I'm gonna get rid of all these popsicles. Because I need the room. Okay. Well, I guess it gives me an excuse to eat popsicles. Maybe not. Ooh. I don't even know what these things are going to taste like. It's been a while. I'm going to pass on those. I got these for my daughter a long time ago. We just never ate them. Never got a chance to. Yeah. Oh. We're good. Put these outside. They'll melt in a few minutes. Alright, I'll wait outside, okay?